us to Startup News. I am your host, Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: Paytm IPO subscribed 18%. SoftBank Sun calls it a great event. EdTech unicorn Byju's raises $1.2 billion via term loan. Amazon Pay financial year 21 revenue up by 30% to rupees 1,769 crores. Now the news in detail are: SoftBank founder and CEO Masayoshi Son stated that Paytm's mega IPO that opened on Monday should be a great event for the Japanese investor. Byju's, India's most valuable privately held startup, has raised $1.2 billion via a term loan from the overseas market. Amazon Pay Private Limited, the digital payments arm of the e-commerce firm, reported a 30% increase in revenue for the financial year 2020 to 21, amounting to rupees 1,769 crores. Fintech unicorn Cred has announced rupees 100 crore employee stock option program this year, in which the employees with vested shares can participate. The Indian Government National Security Council Secretariat has launched a new project to identify privacy and security issues in the mobile ecosystem in India, and also to prevent cyber fraud from applications and devices. Tesla shares slumped about 5% in the pre-market trading after its CEO Elon Musk said he would sell 10% of his holdings, about $20 million worth, in the electric car maker based for the results of a poll he conducted on Twitter over the weekend. Car rental firm Zoomcar has raised up to $92 million in its Series E round, led by New York-based ventures, with the participation from international family offices and several institutional investors. EdTech startup BrightChamps has closed $63 million in a total funding since starting operations last year in August, and is now valued at nearly $500 million. Car market leader Maruti Suzuki India will go ahead and finalize plans to set up a rupees 18,000 crore new manufacturing facility in Haryana before the end of this year. Hero MotoCorp backed Ather Energy has registered a 12-fold increase in sales in October, riding on festive season demand.